I know, you did great. Let's go sit down in some shade, okay? Whew, we made it to Bana Cliff Point, which feels like it's in the middle of just nowhere on this island. The road coming in is such a mixed bag of paved road and just not even close to paved, like roads that have been broken for what seems like a long time. That was definitely the most interesting motorbike ride I think we've ever had.
Jeez,
whoa.
oh my god.
Straight down.
There's manta rays here. You can see them from the top of the cliff. There's two, and they're super black with like the really blue water. I thought it was a rock when I saw it from above.
Those things gotta be huge though, to be able to see them this clearly up here.
Yeah, they are so cool. This stop was so worth it. The views were insane. It was a little bit sketchy, and it's nice that there's only like 5 other people here while we were here, but it was so beautiful. Oh, the manta rays, we saw a turtle in water all the way from the cliffside. It's so clear here, it's insane.
Okay, we made it to Kelingking Beach, also known as T-Rex Beach, and it feels like it's about 3,000 degrees outside right now.
We legitimately just discovered this orange water at Diamond Beach this morning. It's so good. It's like natural Gatorade. Well, there's only 60 milligrams of something. Oh, 40 grams of sugar. Look how steep this is already.
I know. That guy in the tree and all of the lines are just to get the best pictures here at T-Rex Beach. Typically, if you have a guide with you, they'll wait in the lines for you while you grab some shade, and once your time is up, they'll call you in for the pictures, which is really nice.
We just talked to someone who climbed all the way back up and asked him how it was. He said hard. They had to take a seat, but he said it was beautiful and we should do it. So we're gonna do it. Whoa. I heard it takes about 45 minutes down, 45 minutes up. Usually we're a little faster down, a little slower up, so we'll see. We have 3 hours until sun sets.
It's ridiculous, you have to like jump each step, except these of course.
You're like only 2 steps above me and you're like 15 feet.
Okay, so stair renovations stop here. Now it's just rock and these handrails. I can live with handrails.
At least we have these. I don't think these have always been here.
I don't think so either. I think this is where it was like tricky before.
I would not do this if these handrails were not here.
Oh, this would be terrifying. Last stretch here. Man, the sun is burning up. It's a little more narrow, so it's basically jumping down. Oh my gosh. Good job. Good job. I know, you did great. Good job. Come here, give me a hug. I love you. I love you so much. You did good. Let's go sit down in some shade, okay? Yeah.